In this video, we will cover inventory receiving with a purchase order in Axacute. To receive an incoming item, at the home page, click on the Incoming button. Select PO Receipt. At the Purchase Order Receipt page, select the warehouse to receive the purchase order. Click on the Search button to select the purchase order to receive. By entering keyword that return relevant search result, the list of the orders can be narrowed down. Vendor code of the purchase order will be auto-populated by Axacute. Click on the Next button to proceed. On the next screen, Axacute will display all open purchase order lines. You can then proceed to select the corresponding line to receive. In the receiving page, first, verify that the item details are correct. Use your mobile device to scan the location barcode label on the rack to input the inbound receiving location. If an item is set up as a lot traceable, you have several options to input the lot number. You can select the lot number recommended by Axacute, or you can select an existing lot number. And lastly, you may also type your own new lot number. For a lot tracked item, you have the option to define an expiry date for the item. Now, let's suppose that the item comes in the form of cartons rather than weight. You can simply update the unit of measure and enter the carton quantity. However, this can only be done if you have a unit of measure conversion set up earlier in Axacute. If the receiving is successful, a success message will be prompted. If needed, you can print a label for the item that you have received. Thank you for watching this video.